The best budget microphones allow you to cut costs without sacrificing too much on quality. Whether you're a podcaster, Twitch streamer, musician, filmmaker, or just seeking an upgrade for your Zoom calls, you can find a reliable microphone within a tight budget. While it may not be the absolute best microphone available, it significantly outperforms the built-in microphones on phones, tablets, or laptops. These microphones strike a perfect balance between affordability and performance, making them a worthwhile investment. The challenge lies in the multitude of options available in the market. To help you make an informed choice, we've compiled a list of the best budget microphones tailored for various purposes, ensuring there's an option for everyone. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description below. 5. Shure SM57. The Shure SM57 is a leading budget microphone designed for capturing the nuanced tones of musical instruments, featuring a dynamic type and cardioid polar pattern. Weighing 284 grams and measuring 157 by 32 by 32 millimeters. This microphone is meticulously crafted for the precision of single-instrument recording, excelling in capturing the distinctive sound of a guitar amp or drum. Known for delivering the power of musical performances to every corner of the venue, the SM57 is the preferred choice for professional musicians looking to mic up their amplified or acoustic instruments, including guitar amps, bass amps, saxophones, trumpets, or drums. It has earned its place on stages and in studios worldwide. The contoured frequency response, marked by a presence rise, facilitates the instrument's better cut through the main mix. The highly effective cardioid pickup pattern isolates the primary sound source, recording precisely what is directed at it while rejecting rear-facing sound. Praised for its exceptional value, the Shure SM57 consistently delivers a bright and clean sound output, surpassing expectations given its budget-friendly price. Its directional nature ensures focused recordings, minimizing interference and maximizing clarity. While not designed for capturing multiple instruments simultaneously, its specialization in solo source recording distinguishes it within its price range. Embraced widely in the music industry for both studio and live performances, the Shure SM57 is celebrated for its robust construction, ensuring durability and reliability. Whether you're a musician, sound engineer, or budget-conscious enthusiast, this microphone offers an enticing blend of quality and affordability. 4. Tonor TC30. The Tonor TC30 is another excellent budget microphone choice, particularly tailored for YouTube beginners. Its user-friendly features make it ideal for various applications, including gaming, podcasting, Zoom meetings, streaming, Skype chatting, and online conferences. With a USB 2.0 data port and no additional driver installation is required, ensuring compatibility with Windows, macOS, and Linux operating systems. The microphone boasts a cardioid pickup pattern and an impressive off-axis suppression function, enhancing its ability to capture natural sound while effectively suppressing unwanted background noise. Installation is a breeze, requiring only the attachment of the pop filter to the mic tripod for a convenient plug-and-play experience. A standout feature of the Tonor TC30 is its superior noise reduction capability. Utilizing high-density 100% polyester fiber soundproofing panels, it minimizes indoor echo and external noise. With a remarkable 0.9 NRC rating, these panels reduce annoyance noise frequencies by up to 90% and echoes by 97%, creating an optimal recording environment free from distracting sounds. Safety is prioritized in the design of the sound dampening panels, made from 100% polyester fiber, offering waterproof, odorless, and durable properties. This ensures a safe and long-lasting solution for soundproofing needs. The Tonor TC30 is a condenser microphone with a cardioid polar pattern, weighs 400 grams and measures 235 by 105 by 142 millimeters. It is well suited for beginners, offering a range of accessories and wide compatibility. However, it may not work with certain devices, and an adapter is required for use with iPads. Unfortunately, it is not compatible with iPhones or Xbox. 3. JLab Talk. The JLab Talk, a desktop-style intermediate microphone, is an exceptional choice for various audio applications. Featuring 3 studio-quality condensers and an impressive 96 kHz 24-bit resolution, this microphone ensures top-notch sound quality for your recordings and podcasts, providing a seamless experience wherever you go. Equipped with 4 directional pattern modes, including cardioid, omnidirectional, stereo, and bidirectional, the JLab Talk offers versatility for different recording needs. Whether you're podcasting, game streaming, creating YouTube videos, producing music, or recording voiceovers, this microphone provides powerful sound quality and comprehensive control options. The JLab Talk offers a plug-and-play experience with a 6.5 feet USB-C input cable, ensuring hassle-free connectivity to your device. The standard-sized 5/8-inch input allows for swivel mounting on camera tripods or other stands, providing flexibility in setup. The absence of the need for drivers ensures a quick and straightforward start to your recording sessions. Regarded as the best budget microphone for streaming, the JLab Talk delivers studio-quality output and versatile directional pattern modes, making it an ideal choice for various audio needs. Despite its affordability, it provides exceptional value with features typically associated with higher-priced options. While it excels in indoor use, it may not be the optimal choice for outdoor recording or music production. Nevertheless, the JLab Talk remains a superb option for those seeking superior performance without a hefty price tag. 2. Pop Voice. The Pop Voice microphone is the best value budget option for smartphones, particularly praised for its affordability and functionality. Classified as a lavalier microphone, it features an omnidirectional polar pattern, weighing 50 grams and measuring 112 by 77 by 27 millimeters. With a super long cable measuring 12.87 feet, this mini ASMR microphone is well suited for long-distance recording. The iPhone clip mic effectively reduces background noise, ensuring clear and clean sound quality. Notably, the 3.5mm lavalier microphone eliminates the need for an extra cord to increase its length. The package includes 3 colors of wind muff: black, orange, and red. The lapel lavalier microphone's compact size allows for easy portability, fitting conveniently in a purse for on-the-go availability during video recordings. Designed for iPhone compatibility, this microphone can be used with iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, iPhone X, XR, 11, and 11 Pro when paired with the original phone adapter that comes with the iPhone. It also includes an extra storage pouch for added convenience. Moreover, the lav recording microphone comes with a PC adapter, allowing it to work seamlessly with PCs and laptops. The Pop Voice microphone ensures a reliable and continuous performance. Its lightweight and compact design makes it an ideal choice for various recording applications, including music, interviews, vlog shooting, live streaming, and fitness class recording. However, potential buyers should be aware of its compatibility limitations, including non-functionality with Samsung Galaxy S4, S7, Nexus 5, Samsung Galaxy J7, S4, S7, OnePlus, and ZTE Blaze Z Max Pro. 1. Rode VideoMic Me-C. The Rode VideoMic Me-C is the best budget microphone tailored for smartphones, particularly noted for its compatibility with USB-C phones. Classified as a shotgun microphone, it features a directional polar pattern, weighing 27 grams and measuring 74 by 20 by 25 millimeters. Crafted with precision, the VideoMic Me-C is a high-quality microphone designed to elevate the audio quality of your video recordings on USB-C mobile devices. Its directional focus minimizes surrounding noises, ensuring clarity and intelligibility in your videos. The inclusion of a 3.5mm jack provides a headphone output for audio monitoring and playback, enhancing your overall recording experience. Compact and lightweight, the VideoMic Me-C is well made and robust, offering durability for on-the-go recording. It comes equipped with a mic clip for secure attachment and a furry windshield, making it suitable for outdoor and adverse weather conditions. The microphone is compatible with most mobile devices featuring a USB-C input and running the latest operating system, Android OS 10 or higher. This microphone is compatible with both iPhone 15 and Android phones with a USB-C port, making it a preferred choice for those on the move who wish to capture high-quality audio through their smartphones. While it may be slightly pricier compared to other options on the list, the Rode VideoMic Me-C delivers great quality and overall value. Tailored specifically for mobile filmmaking and content creation, this shotgun microphone employs a directional polar pattern to minimize background noise and concentrate on the subject of your recording. The inclusion of a furry windshield enhances audio quality, and the 3.5mm headphone port allows real-time sound monitoring. It's important to note that using the Rode VideoMic Me-C may require removing your phone case. In summary, the Rode VideoMic Me-C stands as a top choice for those seeking the best budget microphone for smartphones, offering compatibility with USB-C phones, robust construction, and excellent audio quality for mobile filmmaking and content creation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.